poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and we're back at it again with another video. I feel like I have literally not said that in so long. Like, Bookie, how have y'all been? Today we're installing this wig from, who is this wig from? This wig is from Westkiss Hair. Love their hair, love their lace. They eat every time pretty much. So right now we're just putting the glue. I'm doing a widow's peak today, so I made sure to like put my glue in a widow's peak shape. I don't know, widow's peaks just give me like more natural, even though this shit not natural, we know that, but it's just the fact of it just makes it look more, I don't know, that widow's peak adds a little something. Like, you can't tell me that the widow's peak doesn't eat. So basically, yeah, that's what we're doing today. I love curly wigs because I feel like once you put the wig on and like do your baby hairs, like the hair is pretty much done. Like, you don't have to go in and style it that much more if you're just doing like a middle part, which is what I'm doing today. So yeah, I'm just spreading my glue out. I do 3 layers of glue. I'm using glue from Sochar today. And once I get the glue spread out 3 layers, make sure they're dry in between each layer. I'm just going in and pulling my lace into that glue using a comb to make sure I'm pressing it in, because you want to make sure you're pressing the lace into the glue so that it can actually stick. Just laying it on top is not gonna do nothing. So let's actually press it in. Let's actually put some elbow grease into it, and yeah, put some effort into it and do your own hair at home. Because I'm sick of y'all talking about these hairstylists, these Atlanta hairstylists, this and that. Girl, learn how to do your own hair. I'm tired of that. So yeah, the size was lifting a little bit, so I had to go in and kind of, you know, add a little bit more glue. I just added a dot, let it dry out. I'm gonna go back in and just press that down into the scalp, because that's what we're trying to give. Now, I won't lie, this wig is bomb. Like, I just love the curls. The lace was really, really good. I feel like it was a 10 out of 10 for me, to be quite honest. The only thing that kind of threw me off with this wig, and it really wasn't the wig, I think it was just the shade of makeup that I put. It was a little bit too light, like a little bit, once I cut the lace. But that's really on me. It has nothing to do with Westkiss Hair. Look at me defending Westkiss Hair. It had nothing to do with them. It was really just me. So yeah, y'all, I'm pressing down the other side, pressing it down using my comb to get it nice and like stuck. That's how you get that lace melted. You got to really press it in. I use the blow dryer just to make me feel better. You know, sometimes I use a blow dryer, sometimes I don't. They gave me this Ali Pearl band, which kind of confused me because I'm like, are y'all connected? But I don't know. After I took it off, I cut the, I like to cut little sections out of my lace. Like real small sections, and then I get a razor and kind of do a jagged motion to cut the lace completely off. I don't know, I feel like cutting it in these mini little sections makes it easier to cut, and I feel like it just turns out better that way. But do y'all see what I'm saying? Like, it's giving a little white cast when I turn my head to the side. I don't know, cutting off the ear tabs, making sure that that's taken care of so that your ear can breathe. Normally I just rip it, like it just rips off, but today it was giving me a little issue, so I had to cut it off. I'm cutting the rest of the lace. Skin is skinning. Like, my skin really been eating lately. Do y'all want a skincare routine? Y'all probably don't, but hey, I'll probably still give y'all one. I've been using Drunk Elephant products, and they've been doing me real justice. Now I'm pulling out my baby hairs. I use my hot comb to press the hairs out and kind of get them in that motion of the baby hair. And then after this, I'm going to be spraying. I believe I sprayed my Tresemme spray. Wait, we skipped so many steps. Normally, I'll spray my Tresemme spray and put my band back on. I guess I didn't show that part. Now I'm cutting my baby hairs and I'm curling them with my pencil flat iron. You already know the deal when it comes to the pencil flat iron. Getting my little twist comb. Y'all know I spray. What do I spray on there? I spray Pump It Up Spritz. And I use the olive oil ORS mousse to do my baby hairs. I did not use gel this time because I wanted to do like the fluffy baby hair thing. So I don't think if I use gel, I did not use that much. I mainly use the mousse and the Pump It Up spray. But yeah, I'm just forming my baby hairs. Y'all know the deal. I done this a million times. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know exactly what's going on. And y'all know exactly what time it is. Now I'm using my Tresemme hairspray and a wax stick just to kind of flatten out the roots. I didn't show my whole process of that, which I normally do, but whatever. We're moving on. We're moving quick in this video. So now I have a spray bottle. I got this Scala Maracujá. I'll put it up on the screen. I got it from Amazon. It's like a Brazilian curly hair care kind of thing. I found it on TikTok, girl, but it works bomb in natural hair and in like wigs and stuff. So I mixed it with water and I'm just spraying it in the hair and using this comb that I got, or brush, whatever you want to call it. And now I'm using the Dose mousse just to define those curls a little bit, brushing through. And this part is pretty self-explanatory. I damn near had a nip slip right there, like not me giving y'all a free show, damn. But anyways, yeah, I'm just going through, sectioning out the hair, spraying it, detangling it, and putting my mousse on it, getting those curls real defined, real juicy, real nice, real cute. Yeah, I love the curls on this wig. They're just so cute. Like, I feel like they're so pretty. She get money, her body tea, like all that. So yeah, and this hair is very, very, very easy to detangle, work with. Like, I didn't have any problems with it. It didn't have no smell. It didn't have roaches or nothing. Like, yeah, real nice. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. This is what we came up with. Yeah. She get money, her body tea. Y'all, this lace is crazy. Like, I think this lace is super, super melted. Like, westkiss. I didn't know y'all was giving it to the girls like that. But y'all really are. The curl pattern is gorgeous. I went ahead and defined the curls. And I just diffused it and picked it out a little bit because I wanted it to be fluffy. It probably will get bigger throughout the day. So I might, you know, update y'all throughout the day to show y'all how it looks. But these curls are really pretty. I'm pretty sure this is like a kinky, curly kind of hair. And I'm loving it. Like, I did fluffy baby hairs this time. I think when I get home, I'm going to pluck. I might pluck these baby hairs just a little bit more because they're kind of thick right there. But my baby hairs always be thick and big back, so I don't really care. But y'all, I'm like, this is a 10 out of 10 wig. It has an adjustable strap in the back, and it also has like one of those glueless wig bands to make the wig fit really snug. Like, it's very, very, very flat to the head. Girl, this unit is giving. So guys, if you guys like this unit and you want to purchase, go ahead and hit up westkiss hair. I will have everything in the description box so you guys can go ahead and shop with them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.